Hi, Charlotte. Are you all dressed up like a punk, ready to go to Halloween? You're going to go trick-or-treating? Is that your treat basket? Is that your treat basket? Here's a close-up of the mohawk. Excellent mohawk.
Splendid mohawk, excuse me.
Splendid, for sure. Nice anarchy symbol on your sweater, and nice little punky arm bands. Cute little Vans, baby Vans, with the excellent black cat.
And most importantly, the denotation that she is...
She's a Punky Monkey. Punky Monkey.
Yay.
That's this one.
Should we go trick-or-treating, Charlie?
Yay!
Yay!
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yay!
You ready? Love you.